Is your PC lagging, freezing, or running slow due to 100% disk usage? In this video, I'll show you 5+ proven methods to fix this issue.
System main can sometimes cause high disk usage. To disable them, open Run by pressing Windows + R. Then type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down and find Size Main. Right-click it, go to Properties. Select Startup Type to disable. Click Apply and OK. And also, disable Windows Search will free up disk usage. To do this, scroll down and find Windows Search option. Right-click it, then go to Properties. Set the startup type to disable. Click Apply and then click OK. That was the most recommended and easy solution. If that method is not fixed disk usage error, try method 2.
Windows notifications run in the background and use disk space. Disabling this will stop Windows from constantly running background notifications. Open Settings. Then go to System. Choose Notifications and Actions. Turn off Get Tips, Tricks, and Suggestions when you use Windows. Windows updates run in the background, increasing disk usage. Disable them will fix this temporarily. Open Run by pressing Windows + R. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click and choose Properties. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Then click Stop. Corrupt files or bad sectors can cause disk usage problems. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type chkdsk apgef-r. Press Enter, then type Y to schedule it on the next restart.
If virtual memory set incorrectly, it can cause high disk usage. Adjusting it can improve performance. Press Windows + Pause. Click Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click Settings under Performance. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Set a custom size. The recommended value is 1.5x your RAM for the initial size and 3x your RAM for the maximum size. For an example, if your RAM is 8 GB, set initial size is to 12 GB and maximum size to 24 GB. Then, click OK. Restart your PC.